One way to heal relationship wounds is through the practice of forgiveness. Forgiveness is a powerful tool that can help release resentment, heal emotional pain, restore harmony in relationships. Welcome to a guided meditation for healing broken hearts. Find a comfortable position, be seated, keep your spine erect, close your eyes. Let me take you through a meditative experience to heal the same. Be in a space where you can be alone and undisturbed. Take a few deep breaths to calm your mind and relax your body. Close your eyes and bring to mind the person or the people you have relationship wounds with. Visualize them standing in front of you. Begin by acknowledging and validating your own emotions. Allow yourself to feel the pain, anger, or hurt that may arise. It is important to honor your feelings without judgment. Take a deep breath in, feeling the air fill your lungs. Exhale slowly, releasing any tension or heaviness in your body. Take another deep breath in, and as you exhale, let go of any thoughts or distractions that may be present in your mind. Visualize yourself standing in a serene and a peaceful place, surrounded by nature's beauty. Feel the gentle warmth of the sun on your skin and a gentle breeze brushing against your face. Allow this environment to create a sense of calm and safety within you. Now bring your attention to your heart center. Feel the energy and emotions residing within it. Acknowledge any pain, sorrow, grief that you may be carrying. Allow yourself to fully experience these emotions without judgment. With each breath, imagine a soft healing light, a white light, entering your body and surrounding your heart. As the light envelops your heart, feel its warmth and love, soothing the wounds and nurturing your innermost being. As you continue to breathe gently, visualize your heart is expanding and it is filling with unconditional love, compassion, and forgiveness. Let this love radiate from your heart, healing not only your pain but extending outwards to touch the hearts of others who may be experiencing similar struggles. Repeat the following affirmations silently with me, allowing the positive vibrations to resonate within you. I am worthy of love and healing. I release any attachments to past pain and embrace new beginnings. I forgive myself and others, freeing my heart from resentment. I am open to receiving and giving love. My heart is resilient and it will heal and it will grow stronger with time. Take a moment to feel the healing energy flowing through your body, mending your broken heart and restoring balance and harmony within you. Allow yourself to bask in this peaceful state of healing and renewal. Let us now understand the phases of relationships and how to heal them. Take a deep breath in, allow your body to relax, exhale slowly, releasing the stress you may be carrying. Let go of the thoughts or distractions that may be present in your mind. Let us explore the different phases of relationships and how we can heal and find solace within each phase. Relationships can bring us joy, growth, connection, but they can also challenge us and bring emotional pain. Every relationship has a unique journey and healing is possible at each stage. Think you are in a serene space surrounded by nature's beauty. Feel the calmness and tranquility enveloping you. Allow this environment to create a sense of safety and openness within you. The first phase in any relationship is the beginning. Bring your attention to the early stages of your relationship, the excitement, the anticipation of meeting the special person in your life. Reflect on the feelings of hope, attraction, curiosity that arise during this phase. Acknowledge any past hurts or fears that may surface as you explore this new connection. Take a moment to send love and compassion to your past self, acknowledging any pain or disappointments experienced in previous relationships. Remind yourself that you deserve love and happiness and release any lingering attachments to past wounds. The second phase is the growth. As the relationship progressed, it entered a phase of growth where both of you learned and evolved together. Reflect on the lessons and challenges that arise during this phase. Acknowledge any patterns or behaviors that may have caused pain or conflict in past relationships. Take a deep breath in and visualize yourself surrounded by a warm, healing light. Allow this light to shine on any areas of your being that need healing and transformation. Release any limiting beliefs or negative patterns that no longer serve you. Embrace personal growth and self-love as you navigate to the journey of a healthy and fulfilling relationship. The third phase of relationships are the challenges. Relationships often face challenges and difficulties that can cause pain and strain. Now reflect on the conflicts, disagreements, misunderstandings that you may have experienced in your relationship. Acknowledge the emotions that arise during these challenging times. Take a moment to practice self-compassion and forgiveness. Extend forgiveness to yourself and any partner or individual who may have caused you pain. Release any resentment or anger that may be weighing you down. Allow yourself to heal and find inner peace. The fourth phase in a relationship is the healing. Relationships have the potential to be transformative and healing. Reflect on the moments of love, connection, and support that you have experienced in past relationships. Embrace the healing power of love and compassion. Take a deep breath. Imagine your heart filling with love, compassion, and healing energy. Visualize this energy radiating outwards, reaching those who have been part of your relationship journey. Send love and healing to them, knowing that healing is a continuous process for all the people who are involved. Take a moment to express gratitude for the lessons and growth that these relationships have brought into your life. Know that each relationship, regardless of its outcome, has played a role in shaping you who you are today. Carry this wisdom with you as you navigate the path of love and connection. Now imagine a bright, white, healing light surrounding you and the other person. See this light expanding, bigger and bigger, enveloping both of you in its warm and loving embrace. With sincerity and compassion, say the following prayer with me that resonates with you. I acknowledge the pain and hurt we have experienced in our relationship. I understand that we are all imperfect beings capable of mistakes. Today, I choose to release the resentment and anger that has been weighing me down. I forgive you for any words, actions, or behaviors that have caused me pain. I forgive myself for holding on to these wounds for so long. I release the past and open my heart to healing and reconciliation. May we both find peace, understanding, and love. I send you my sincerest wishes for your well-being. Allow yourself to sit with these feelings of forgiveness and let them permeate your being. Visualize the wounds being healed and a sense of lightness and freedom replacing the heaviness. When you are ready, gently bring your awareness back to your physical surroundings. Wiggle your fingers, wiggle your toes, slowly open your eyes. Take a moment to honor your journey of healing and growth. Remember, healing relationship wounds take time and consistent effort. Be patient with yourself and others involved. This meditation is just a starting point, but it is also important to communicate openly, set boundaries, and seek professional help. Thank you for joining me in this session. May your heart continue to heal and find solace on your journey of healing and self-discovery. Take this peaceful energy with you as you move throughout your day. Gratitude. Namaste.